Hi everyone, Chris from the Driving Theory Workshop, and today we're going to talk about scanning and planning. And the more that you anticipate problems happening in the future while you're driving, the better your driving will be and the easier it will become. So let's talk about an example. So imagine we're following behind a bus. What sort of things would you expect that bus to do? We know buses regularly stop, so what we should do is we should drop back further from the bus, allowing more room. Should the bus show that it's going to stop by showing an indicator, then we shall have a look in our right door mirror and know what's coming down the right hand side so that we can move around the bus if it is safe to do so. It's the same when coming up to traffic lights. If we see that the traffic light in the future is on red, that we don't just accelerate towards that and then have to come to a stop. The more we plan for those situations happening and slow down earlier, the light may then change to green, allowing you to continue in second gear rather than having to stop and put your handbrake on. So remember, when you're driving down the road, to scan it and plan it. And an early vision means an early decision. When we get that right, what we can do then is plan our driving much better, see the obstacles ahead, see any hazards that are happening, and it'll make our drive in the long term a lot easier. If you found that information useful, then please like, comment and share. You can subscribe to our YouTube channel by searching for the Driving Theory Workshop, or if you want to join our online theory course, then visit www.drivingtheoryworkshop.co.uk.